Hello everyone, welcome to Nanda Classes YouTube channel. Reproduction in organism is the first chapter of class 12. Already we have studied about the asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Today we will discuss about the events in sexual reproduction. There are three events in sexual reproduction: pre-fertilization phase, fertilization phase and post-fertilization phase. सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन में सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट होता है फर्टिलाइजेशन, दैट मीन्स फ्यूजन ऑफ गैमेट. सो फर्स्ट वी विल सी अबाउट द प्री फर्टिलाइजेशन फेज. प्री फर्टिलाइजेशन मीन्स द फेज विच कम्स बिफोर द फर्टिलाइजेशन फेज, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज प्री फर्टिलाइजेशन फेज. In pre-fertilization phase, we will see two things. First one is gametogenesis, another one is gamete transfer. So gametogenesis. The gametogenesis is the complex word. Here two words are there. One is gamete, another one is genesis. Gameto means gamete and genesis means produce. So gametogenesis means the process of formation of gamete. It is called as gametogenesis. Second one, after the formation of gamete, both the gamete must be brought together for the process of fertilization. In most of the organism, the male gamete is motile and the female one is non-motile. Here motile means to move. The male gamete can move from one place to another place for the process of fertilization. Next one, the process of fertilization, which is the most important thing in sexual reproduction. Fertilization means the fusion between the male and female gamete, and after the fusion a diploid structure get formed which is called as zygote. In some cases the female gamete undergoes development process and form a new individual, and that process is called as parthenogenesis. Here in the diagram we will see about the human fertilization. From the ovary the egg cell is coming, and from the testicle the sperm is coming. Both the egg cell and sperm cell get fused in the process of fertilization, and after that a diploid structure get formed which is called as zygote. Types of fertilization. There are two types of fertilization. One is called as external fertilization, another one is internal fertilization. External means outside. Fertilization takes place outside the female body, then it is called as external fertilization. And if the fertilization takes place inside the female body, then it is internal fertilization, for example mammals. That about the gamete fusion, there are three types of gamete fusion takes place: isogamy, anisogamy and oogamy. First one, isogamy. Sexual reproduction by the fusion of similar gamete. Both the similar gamete get fused, then it is called as isogamy. When the gametes are dissimilar, one is bigger than another one, then it is called as anisogamy. And last one is oogamy. Oogamy means the fusion takes place between the large non-motile female gamete with the small motile male gamete. Here the female gamete is large in size and that is non-motile, that means that cannot move from one place to another place, but then the small male gamete which can move, that is motile in nature, so it is oogamy. After fertilization phase, the next phase is called as post-fertilization phase. In the fertilization phase, we know that the fusion between the gamete takes place. So the result is that the production of diploid structure takes place, that is zygote. So zygote, what is zygote? It is the fertilization product of sexual reproduction. Next one is embryogenesis. Embryogenesis is also a complex word. Embryo plus genesis. Embryo, the formation of embryo takes place from zygote, that is embryogenesis. Then development of embryo. Three kind of development of embryo takes place. First one is oviparous, viviparous and ovoviviparous. Oviparous, animal lays egg, for example reptile and birds. Viviparous, the zygote develop into young one inside the mother body. The example is mammal. And ovoviviparous, producing young by means of egg which are hatched within the body of the parent as in some snake. This is called as ovoviviparous. Next, sexuality in organism. First one, dioecious. Dio means two. The organism that produce either male or female gamete. That is called as unisexual condition or heterothallic. Hetero means different and thallic means thallus. The gamete production takes place in two different body. The male gamete will produce in another body and the female gamete will produce in another body. For example, birds, mammal, cockroach, and the last one is monoecious. Mono means single. Organism that produce both male and female gamete. मेल गेमेट फीमेल गेमेट दोनों एक ही बॉडी में प्रोड्यूस होता है. दैट मे बी कॉल्ड एज बाइसेक्सुअल और hermaphrodite, and also it is called as homothalic. Homo means same, thalic means body. एक ही बॉडी के अंदर दोनों मेल गेमेट और फीमेल गेमेट प्रोड्यूस होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अर्थवर्म, लीच, राइजोपस. So that's all. Hope you have enjoyed the class. Thank you.